बांग्लादेश के हालात बेकाबू हो चुके हैं। प्रधानमंत्री शेख हसीना के घर प्रदर्शनकारियों ने कब्जा कर लिया और शेख हसीना को अपनी जान बचाने के लिए देश को छोड़कर भागना पड़ा है। शेख हसीना ने भारत की शरण ली है। भारत पहुंचने पर वे यहां प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी और नेता प्रतिपक्ष राहुल गांधी से मुलाकात कर सकती हैं। प्रदर्शनकारियों के बीच हुई झड़प में कई लोगों के मारे जाने की खबर है। बांग्लादेश में हुए तख्ता पलट की आग अब बंगाल तक फैल सकती है। मुख्यमंत्री ममता बनर्जी ने केंद्र से बीएसएफ की मांग की है। वहीं बंगाल के भाजपा नेताओं ने चिंता व्यक्त की है।
হ্যাঁ গণভবনে যেভাবে শুরু হয়েছে আমাদের দখলে গণভবন আমাদের দখলে গণভবন আমাদের দখলে এই সময় পানি পাইছে ইনশাআল্লাহ গণভবনের ভিতরে আমরা সেম টু সেম শ্রীলঙ্কা এইখানেই সবকিছু হইতো। এই সেই গণভবন। গণভবনের ভিতরে সবাই চলে আসছে। জনতা যারা ছিল সবাই, যাদের হাতে ছাত্রদের রক্ত, এই সেই ভবন। শত শত মানুষের রক্তের বিনিময়ে আমরা একটা ঘরে ঢুকতেছি। আমরা এই তো খাওয়া দাওয়ার ব্যবস্থা, খাওয়া দাওয়া করতে হবে। অনেক খাবার দাবার দুপুরে খাই নাই তো, গণভবনের এরা খাচ্ছে। চলো সবকিছু খুলে ঢুকতে হইতো একসময়। এই সময় ঘরের ভিত্তি সহ মানুষজনের পথ দেখা যাচ্ছে। খাবার দাবার খাবার দাবার গণভবনের প্রথম পিস খাবার দাবার খাওয়াচ্ছে। মানুষজনরা কিছু বললে কেউ কিছু শুনতেছে না। পুরা ভিতরে
Nobody said that we want to divide Bengal. We were misunderstood. Our Honorable President and Honorable Minister, Dr. Shukanta Mujumdar, just spoke about North Bengal, if the funds can be given from the Northeastern Council. So we want development of North Bengal. We don't want the people of North Bengal to suffer. In fact, people of entire Bengal is suffering. There is no job. Almost 50 to 60 lakh migrant workers have left the state. So that is what, people, MLAs, MPs are talking. That we want a different Kuch Bihar, we want a separate Murshidabad. That's because out of pain. Because there is no development. There is infiltration happening. Demography is changing. And there is no job, no development. But we don't want, we are the people of Dr. Shama Prasad Mukherjee, who have created West Bengal for the Bengali Hindus, the only homeland in the entire world for Bengali Hindus. So we never want, our state to be divided. I don't know why they got this resolution today. It was just a wastage of time.
But they can mention on this resolution and then pass this bill.
We want Akhand, like we dream of Akhand Bharat, which was divided by the conspiracy of Jawaharlal Nehru and Congress. We want Akhand Bengal. We don't want our Akhand Bengal to be divided. So Akhand Bengal, this word was introduced.
That should be passed.
Yes.
So already you can discuss on this bill and Chandrima Bhattacharya already countered me. What about sir?
She doesn't have any reason to counter me. And because she didn't have any reason to counter me, that's why she was shouting. Offense is the best defense. I spoke about why the MLAs and MPs, why the people of North Bengal are screaming that we want a separate Kuch Bihar or Murshidabad or Radbongo. Why? Because you are not being able to give development to that area people. And why this development is not happening? Because there is no development, because there is infiltration happening, and because of this huge population rise. The demography is changing. Population rise of Muslim community, which the other day TMC MLA, Muslim MLA, Humayun Bhai, he acknowledged. He said, yes, in Muslim families we have 14 children, 10 children. And they are born in the house. They are not born in hospitals. So it is not registered also. That's one reason. But infiltration is another reason. So the main reason is there is no development. And that is the reason people are shouting that we want a separate state. Chandrimati didn't have any logic. And that's why she was screaming at me.
Assam government is bringing to buy a Hindu property or Hindu want to buy Muslim property, he will have to get government permission. What about sir?
I think it is very logical. It is required. Because the other day we had done a protest in Shonarpur South, Chobish Pargona South, where there is a criminal called Jamirul. He is an active worker of TMC and he has been holding kangaroo courts in his house where women and men of the village are chained and whipped. And other than this also, he is famous for grabbing lands. And this is not only with Jamirul of Shonarpur. This is happening everywhere. In Jharkhand, our Honorable MP, Nishikant Dubey, what he said, that in Jharkhand, it's all about Adivasis over there, tribals. The Muslim immigrants, infiltrators are coming to Jharkhand through Bengal, marrying Adivasi women. They are becoming the husbands of the Adivasi women and they are taking away all the land. After 2 days, they will divorce. So why is this happening? This needs to stop.
So you want Bengal on this law?
Of course, if a law is passed by the central government, Honorable Supreme Court said that when a law is passed, it's a period. You can't do anything about that law. It's done, it's passed in the parliament. Entire India has to follow it.
On Akhil Giri, but no apply.
See, people like Akhil Giri are the shame. They are a shame for the people of Bengal, for the women of Bengal. But just by taking away his ministryship, it's not done. Because it's their, it's their party affair. We want Akhil Giri to be arrested. Once he is arrested, then only the message will go to other TMC MLAs, and not only TMC MLAs, whoever you are. If you want to take law in your hands and if you want to threaten a woman, Akhil Giri is telling that officer, lady officer of Forest Department, that you have just, I think, 7 to 10 days in hand or 5-6 days in hand. You'll be killed. He didn't say you'll be killed, but he's threatening. He's saying Beadop. And this is the language which they use, because in a television show, the spokesperson of TMC told me Behaya means shameless. This Akhil Giri spoke and demeaned the Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, by talking about her beauty, her face, her looks. So it's a shame that these people have been given tickets and made the minister. It's a shame. So Akhil Giri needs to be arrested.